Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well and everything is okay with you. In this lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to create a file in Visual Studio Code. Very easy and simple lesson. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the ring button and like this video. And let's start our lesson. First, you are going to open the Visual Studio Code, and after that, right up here we have a list of things. We will click on the file, and after that we are going to choose new file. We have a lot of options here. You are going to choose and click on the new file, and after that you're going to select a language. Let's select a language. For example, I'm gonna choose HTML and enter. So now we create a file, and after that we're going to save this file, and then we will check it out if it works with us or not. And after we created our file, we are going to save this file. Again, we are going to the file and we will click on the save as, and then choose the location you want to save your file inside it. And then you will change the name of the file, index.html, and be sure that you're added .html, because if you don't add this addition, it might cause error in your website. And now we saved the file, and let's check it out if it is working or not. For example, we have h1 and we'll write something inside it. Welcome to Wyomax Tech Channel. And let's see the changes, if it work or not. We are going to live server, and how you see the file is working and write for me welcome to Wyomax Tech Channel. And now we finished our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the ring button and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much.